Welcome to Kenton's videos. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pancakes using a simple mix. First, gather your ingredients: pancake mix, liquid like milk or water, and any optional additions such as eggs or oil. Most mixes suggest 1 cup of mix for about 3 to 4 pancakes, but always check your specific box for the precise ratios. Having everything ready makes the process smooth and enjoyable. Now let's mix that batter. In a bowl, combine your dry pancake mix with the recommended amount of liquid. Whisk gently until everything is just combined. It's perfectly fine to have a few small lumps. In fact, that's ideal. Overmixing can develop the gluten too much, leading to tough, chewy pancakes instead of light and fluffy ones. Aim for a consistency that pours easily but isn't too watery. Time to cook. Heat your griddle or a non-stick pan over medium-low heat. Lightly grease the surface with a little butter or cooking spray. Once hot, pour about 1/4 cup of batter for each pancake. Cook for about 2 to 3 minutes, or until you see bubbles forming on the surface and the edges look set. Then, carefully flip them and cook for another 1 to 2 minutes until golden brown. And there you have it, perfectly cooked pancakes ready to enjoy. Serve them immediately while they're warm and fluffy. You can top them with classic maple syrup, fresh berries, a dollop of whipped cream, or anything your heart desires. Making pancakes from a mix is a quick and easy way to enjoy a satisfying breakfast or brunch, bringing a little joy to your morning.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.